In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Microsoft Teams. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up Microsoft Teams and show you the font size inside Microsoft Teams. So it's currently set to about that size. So now, in order to make this larger, what we need to do is head back and then click into Settings. And now once you're inside settings, we need to scroll down, click into display. Once we're in display, navigate lower and look for font size and style. Once you've found it, tap into it. And then at the bottom of font size and style, you will see a slider. If you move this slider to the right, it's going to make it larger. And likewise, if you move it left, it's going to make it smaller. So have a play around with what font size you want to keep it at. You can also use bold font here as well. So you can enable that or disable it. So yeah, move the font size to the right to make it larger. And now from here, just go back, head into Microsoft Teams. And as you can see, the font size inside Microsoft Teams is a lot larger and a bit easier to read.